What's good, y'all? HB Punch and Profit. Let's go over the trade. You could have taken the day. I started another 50K combine with Top Step. Want funded Top Step X accounts. That's my goal. So today is one of those days. Fridays, I don't usually like to trade. So in terms of my funded account, so what I like to do is get an evaluation and try and pass it. If it's my funded futures, I can do it in a day. With Top Step, unfortunately, I have to wait 2 days. So I only got 50% of the target within 2 to 3 trades. Now, higher time frame narrative, it's pushing down since 9:30 a.m. Roughly around here, it's just going down, 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 right? So we're short on the higher time frame. Even though we're entering into a bullish fair value gap, it's how it's entering into that that's kind of indicating that it's going to push further down. So that's a long story. That's for another video. But anyhow, keep a long story short, we're pushing down. It's dropping like it's hot. Now, I did make a chunk of change through this leg back up. A lot of people don't advise buying in a market like this where it's one directional, uh, or vice versa, right? Some people would say don't sell when the market is exploding up. It's one directional. Fair enough. I mean, to me, it's just how you're gonna play it. It's just like I was on Tanya Trade stream and I was trolling them, saying I was gonna buy every signal we get when we got down. Now, obviously, you shouldn't do that, but on evaluation, I might, right? And it could work in my favor. If it just depends how I want to approach it. So we get a signal right here, we invert. I'm playing it for 15 to 25 points, which we hit easy. We don't quite get our 50 points that we look for off our buy signal, but we know that because the higher time frame narrative is short, right? But I'm not looking for 50 points. I'm looking for 15 to 25. So if I can get 15 to 25, load up on contracts and work on a combine, okay, I can hit most of my target right there and then catch the move back down. I don't advise this for most people. It's not efficient, right? It's not an efficient move because there is buy signals all through in here. But like I said, when I'm doing an evaluation account, I'm impatient. I'm not looking to spend a lot of time doing it. I hate how Top Step makes you trade 2 days. Kind of silly to me at this point with what prop firms are doing. But it is what it is. Like I said, so I'm loading up. I'm trying to pass it in a day or two, or at least hit 50% of the target if it's a 50K or a combine with Top Step, and that's that. So I did catch, like half of my target for the day in this little price leg. It was about from the inversion, it was about a 48 point move, and if you know how to play it, that's pretty easy money. And then I can catch the move on the way down. Now, this is why it's inefficient because you could get all that in this price leg right here. So that's why. But I sometimes I like playing with fire, so that's why I do that. But this was the real trade. So we know the higher time frame bias is we want to be short, right? And when you get a buy signal like this, you can actually use it as a confluence because you can mark it up and measure from the inversion. Okay, do we hit 50 points? Nope, we don't hit 50 points, further confirming my narrative. And then we get our reversal signal. We get an inversion in this purple box, the bullish fair value gap right here, taking consideration the volume imbalances. We get a bearish fair value gap right here. We close over it. I'm entering it immediately. We also have an advanced market structure shift at the ECL line. This could have been an entry, or you could have pyramid right there, and boom, you get your 50 points with little to no drawdown. In terms of the entry, I just enter immediately, man. I just enter immediately when all the confluences are there. As soon as we close, boom, I'm in. Okay, right here, I might add. And if you miss this one, then you can add here. But it's one of those situations. It's not gonna pull back, but be on the micros, manage your risk, and don't over leverage, and you can deal with whatever drawdown if you get it wrong. But from here, I mean, you would hit 50 points from the advanced market structure shift. From here, if you close somewhere after it, which probably would have been around here, another 50 points. I mean, easy money, and you can ride that long because you know your higher time frame narrative. Yeah, nice move. But $1,500 on this evaluation. Hopefully Monday we can get it passed and add another funded account. But I will probably wait depending Monday how the market looks, and save this for another Friday to finish it off, because I'll probably be focused on my funded accounts depending on how I want to trade them. But this is HB Punch and Profit. Uh, yeah, good day for trading. It just depends how you want to approach it and how you see the market and how you can exploit it for your target. So have a good weekend, y'all. Be safe, stay blessed.